Hello, I'm Dr Sandi Nye, and we're going to make some avocado mayonnaise today using some of the lovely Westphalia oils, both the flavoured and the plain avocado oil, and some other natural ingredients. Making mayo is actually quite simple. It's a mixture of egg. We're going to use 1 egg yolk and 1 whole egg, a little bit of mustard, whether it's English or Dijon mustard, it's your preference. I'm going to use a bit of English today as an emulsifier to help the mayo come together, and a little bit of acid, a lemon juice or some vinegar, whichever you prefer. Use a bit of lemon juice, which we've already squeezed, and lots of yummy avocado oil. So we'll start by adding some of the plain oil as the bulk, because the flavoured oils that we're going to use will be lemon and also the garlic oil, but those are quite strongly flavoured, so most of our oil is going to be plain avocado. We can see how much more we want to add of these once we're done. And we'll add a little bit more oil as we go to thicken it up. Start seeing the texture thickening. As we add more oil, it's going to actually thicken up further. And there we go. Lovely mayo. Take some avo pulp, which is actually delicious when it's added and also thickens up. So we have the avo oil as well as lovely fresh avo. And then you can season it to taste, whether you want to add some extra salt or some black pepper, which I will in a moment. And if you want it even more zesty, you can add a little bit of wasabi paste. Depends if you're into wasabi or not. Let's give that a go. Blitz it again for a little bit, and then we should be good to go. And you can see how adding the extra pulp has actually thickened it up considerably. And that's all one really needs. Now, the next thing to do is a taste test. Good enough, but I'd like to add a little bit more salt, and then I think we're good to go. I just hope this doesn't tip over. Good, you can taste the bit of garlic coming through from the garlic oil, and also the slight lemon freshness. And if you do want to add anything, you can add herbs. You can add any herbs that take your fancy to this, or fresh garlic, or whatever else you'd like. If you want it more zesty, you can add a little bit of lemon rind as well. And there we are, our lovely, slightly green avocado mayonnaise, good enough to eat, good enough to put on your face and on your hair.